show you all. The rest of the video is going to be basically our day today. We took the day off, and then I would share some of the things we did, looking window shopping, looking at things that are available, things that we could use in the party, and for the decoration, food and all that. So we went to a store called Say, I think it's cash and carry. I'm not pretty sure, people, but they have practically everything that you need for your party. And also, I think mostly for the restaurant people, they can buy things in bulk at large quantities and all that. So, but it was quite an interesting morning for me, and my husband came along with me, and then the next footages will be about that. So enjoy this footage and together, and I'm gonna take you all around and show you a bit of what we're gonna be doing today. Until then, see you. This is how it looks like, and I find this cute and practical, and you have so many stuff here that we could use. I was looking at little bowls as well, and you have non-plastic stuff like that. I find cute, and you have different colors as well, so it's like a huge variety of things. And then decorations and tissue papers. Oh, and look at this, you have different colors of everything. And oh, something I would like to show you all is that I was thinking about the tablecloth, and I just didn't want the paper one, but I still didn't want to have a lot of cleaning to do and washing and all that. And we found this one, and it's like, it's not a paper thing, so the quality is very good. It's more expensive. The roll is almost 100 francs, but I find it very good. It's 40 meters, but it's super. And they have, guys, they have everything. Like, I'm trying to find interesting things for you all. This is the deco part with the balloons and all that. And then we have the candles. I wanted like a yellow candle, but I found super interesting colors here as well, which I think would really pass with the colors that I'll be using. So I find that super cool to choose from all the diverse colors that we have. And we have bigger ones. I will not be using these ones, but I found them super cute as well, and I'll take you along. Where's my husband? He's somewhere. Oh, look at that. These you could actually use if you're gonna do like presents and all that. I find super cute. Grazie. And that is super. Baby, wo bist du? So I was thinking it's just decoration stuff we need, and that's all we need to buy. But there are so many stuff. I think it's overwhelming, like a lot for everything. But I think for the restaurant people mostly as well. And from upstairs you could see downstairs, and they have like pots and all these big things. And just showing you all quickly around. When I thought it was just partying and all that, I saw like toiletries and creams and shower gels. This whole entire area is that. I guess it's for the chefs and all that. You can practically get anything, like in huge amounts and in wholesales, I think. And I find that super interesting. And big pots as well. Oh, this is something we really need to keep the food warm. So we're gonna find out how we're gonna do that. We're not sure yet. So here we have like the plates and mugs and all that, like vegetable bowls. Just taking you around. So this is the food part. It's super freezing and cold here, and we were looking for creams and all that, but they do have yogurts. And then look at that, that is super huge. But my favorite part, we have like super different varieties of ice cream and all that, but we're not gonna buy ice cream now, but it's just for you all to see. And they have huge fridges with meat. That would be pule and chicken and meat and all that, and on the other side on the shelves as well. So basically this is all frozen meat and all that, and cheese as well, and vegetables. You see here we basically like have mixed vegetables that you could have. So I think the store is really good for party preparations or for restaurants and all that. So we have one of the workers, he's super helpful. We're looking for the creams and we couldn't find any, so he's showing us where the cream powders are to prepare it yourself. So let's see. I think they don't have any of them, but we still have time to get that. If we don't get it here, we'll buy it somewhere else, but it would be nice if we have everything from here. So when we decide to go shopping, we'll just have to go at one shop and then get everything, and little things probably somewhere else. But we finally found it. This would be the products for the cream. Wie man es machen soll.
Genau.
Ist es okay, wenn Sie auf dem Video?
Ja, ist okay.
So this is the helpful man. Hallo, grüezi, wie geht's?
Gut, danke.
Schön. Danke fürs Helfen, gell?
Schön.
Ja.
Sind wir da?
Ja, das ist cool. Dankeschön.
Okay.
Cool. So you see, there are people that are always ready to help, and I find that super amazing. And we would have, you know, walked around and never find these products, so that was good to have him help us around. This is the beverage side, the drinks and all that, and you have all the non-alcoholic drinks with the cola and I don't know some of these drinks, honestly speaking, and energy drinks and orange juices, lemonades and iced teas and all that. So, but I think, oh, this side is probably then the alcohol drinks though we have on the other side. So people, all in all, in general, I would really recommend this place for all of you if you want to do like a huge party, or you're organizing a super big event and all that. I think it's a perfect place to come to go all the things that you need, at least almost all the things that you'll be needing for your party or for your event. And then yeah, I think that would be all for today. I'm taking you all around. I hope you enjoyed these moments with us, just showing you around. There are so many other things I couldn't show you because it's a super huge place and things that we do not need as well. So enjoy. He's pulling me and I don't feel so stable on it, but yeah, it's just a craziness.
So you can
see, it's a pulley. He's gonna get this. Oh! So let's see. Oh, I have to come down. I have to come down. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a bit heavy to that.
Hast du noch Wäsche?
Nein, ich glaube nicht. Doch. So we are home, people, and we're gonna get one or two things done in the apartment, and then later pick up the kids, and then my husband is gonna go play squash, okay? And then yeah, then I'll be at home with the kids until he's back home, and then that's the day. we were happy to, you know, take you all along. I hope you had a good time with us. Thank you for watching.